Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm headed into Walmart, so I thought I would invite you to come with me. Let's go shopping. So today we're going to take a look at some of the new things Pioneer Woman is putting out at Walmart. Some really cute salt and pepper shakers, the little milk jug and cookies, these corn on the cob, and these jade. You guys, they're so heavy. $6.88 for those. I'm also not sure if we've seen these before for $7.88. She also has this beautiful pedestal dish for $14.56 in the jade. Really heavy, nicely made. And something that kind of surprised me, she did some casual dining dishes. These are melamine with the floral in front and teal on the back. She did the bowls, the salad plates, and the dinner plates. There are also these little miniature dipping bowls for $1.98. They come in 4 different patterns, lots of bright red, some teal and yellow, and more jade. These bowls are really, really pretty, $4.38 for each. I have not seen a set of them sold together yet, just the individual pieces. The mugs are $5.88, and she has the large dinner plates that are super duper heavy, $7.56 a piece, as well as the little salad plates. Something that coordinates really well with all the jade items is her new floral. It's sort of a pastel teal with lots of rose and red, a little bit of pink. The bowls are $4.38 a piece. Same price for the salad plates. I love the edge on this one, just a little bit of hobnail. And the large dinner plates for $4.88. Another one of her new patterns is this one in the blue floral with the roses. This one does have just a little bit of a pattern on the inside for $4.38. And the mugs, these are quite large, lots of detail on the handle as well. And in her other floral pattern, she also has the tall mugs, $4.38 a piece. Here is the matching salad plate, white on the back, and the large dinner plate. This one matches a lot of her table linens that we'll see here in just a minute. Now this pattern is definitely new to me. The salad plate here first, and this is the dinner plate. Comment down below and let me know, is this one new or have you seen this one before? She's also got out a new little mug tree. This one was $24.86. And a miniature cookie jar. So I've seen the larger one in her dog, but this one is $9.88. It's quite a bit smaller. A few more new things on the utensil aisle. She has some ceramic cake servers, some new measuring cups and spoons, a little bit of embossed floral detail, and this adorable ice cream scoop in the floral for $8.97. She has a new set of the little measuring cups in ceramic, almost like little batter bowls, for just under $8. And for just under $20, she did this little miniature Dutch oven called a Dazzling Dahlia. Now there are 2 colors down here on the bottom, as you can see. The one closest to the bottom is more of a green. The pattern on top is more of a bright cobalt blue. There's a large batter bowl. This one is also new. I believe this one was $18. Lots of bright red and blue. And for $12, the new little rolling pins. These are a heavy ceramic with wooden handles. She has it in the white floral and in the blue. And then down another aisle, I found it in this pattern. She also did these little mini casserole dishes. I believe these were just under $7 a piece. The red and the blue, both with little red knobs. Up here with the blue lid, in yellow, and in teal. A few more of her dishware pieces. This is a set of 3 graduated bowls. These are super heavy ceramic with some plastic clear lids. A little 9x9 casserole dish, just under $10 for that one. And this set, which is so pretty, you do get 2 for just under $20. And let me tell you, this one is very heavy. Down here in the larger sizes, again for just under $20. Lots of detail around the edge on the inside. And some good old-fashioned insulated casserole dishes with carriers. Those are all $29.97 a piece. Now on to some of their table linens, and first off, I have to tell you, I'm pretty sure Walmart is rolling out this knockoff version of things that look so similar to the Pioneer Woman's items. Lots of pretty bright colors and patterns. And for $4.96, they did a beautiful stripe with a little bit of fringe. Just above that, gingham in pretty much any color you could want, from gray, green, navy, teal, and red. Now on to the Pioneer Woman's items. Some of these things I've definitely seen before, but we will see a lot of her new patterns. Starting off with the Heritage Floral. This one is the blue and rose pattern. You do get 2 towels for just under $6. One is more of a tea towel. Here's her little dog Charlie that we've seen before. And this is a 4-pack for $10.96. I couldn't find the name of this pattern set, but it's a lot of pink and teal, as you can see. Another 2-pack for just under $6 in the Dazzling Dahlia pattern. This one that coordinates with it really well. This is a set of 4 dish towels in the Fiona pattern for $10.88. 2 pattern and 2 solids. And the coordinating oven mitts. These are really cute, sort of mixed patterns. And a set of 2 pot holders for $5.94 in the Heritage Floral. There's also a new kitchen rug for $19.97 in the daisy chain pattern. And I've got to say, Walmart did a knockoff, at least in my opinion. This one is nowhere near as large, but it is just $5. She also has lots of new table linens, the tablecloths in the florals. I believe this one is Fiona. She does have it in squares, rectangles, and circles. And the Heritage Floral Table Runner for $14.88. This one is the blue on the reverse. This is another one of the mainstays Walmart knockoffs that, I don't know, you guys will have to let me know. I'm getting Pioneer Woman vibes. They do have lots of new prints that I haven't seen before. Lots of bright colors, and I'm thinking it's kind of refreshing to see. Some more table runners. These by Better Homes and Gardens. They're absolutely beautiful for just under $12. And the pattern for just under $15. Now for a few of their placemats by Pioneer Woman. The Dazzling Dahlia. This one is the Heritage Floral. The reverse on this one is again the blue floral pattern. All of these are almost square, so not the typical rectangle. This one's got a teal reverse pattern and a set of 4 matching napkins for $4.97. Down below, a few more of the Walmart placemats, $1.96 a piece for these. And for the pattern, which is from Better Homes and Gardens, $2.96. They also have the Better Homes and Gardens placemats for just under $10 in a set of 4. These are really large. Each one is folded in half, and that is 1 placemat. And while grocery shopping, I did spot that she's releasing some new food items in the refrigerator aisle of Walmart. I haven't tried any. Let me know if you have. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Walmart today to see some of the new items Pioneer Woman is putting out for this spring. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.